oil, they want gas. And they want the landmass.
No, but Sumit, there are two ways of looking at it. Either the Chinese have done an immense service to the globe right now, that they've discovered this and warned us in advance when the Kazakhis themselves haven't been able to figure it out. Or in fact, that we can have to think that either Kazakhstan has become the lab for the next pandemic, or indeed the Chinese are willfully experimenting in Kazakhstan. Now, 6 months ago, I wouldn't have believed this. I would have called anybody, a fool for making such kind of radical claims. But now these are all believable.
Rishabh, that's why I gave you the reasons, because I believe that Kazakhstan is the new lab, and I was trying to spell out why should China do it? What does China get out of it? Look at all these things which I told you factually, Rishabh. There's a lot which China has to gain. Militarily, Kazakhstan can never ever stand to China. They're very close relations. I have been to Kazakhstan a couple of times, Almaty and Astana. I know the culture, but if you look at the military-wise, they cannot stand up to China, and they have a big, what Ambassador Saab rightly said, they have a big border with China, and they have everything to offer what China as an expanded whopper wants, and as what CCP wants, from oil, mineral, land, everything is there. So we have to see it in a much bigger prism. Is now biological warfare the new warfare technique of China? Is more labs taking one virus X for this country, one virus Z for this country? That could be happening.
Okay, let me just quickly get in Dr. Malik once again. Dr. Malik, 6 months ago, we won't even have